Hey everyone! Today, I'm diving into the fascinating world of mobile networks. From the basics of GSM to the lightning-fast speeds of 5G, let's break down how each technology has transformed the way we communicate. First up, GSM, or Global System for Mobile Communications. Launched in the early 90s, GSM was a game-changer. It introduced us to digital voice calls and SMS, which were a massive upgrade over the analog systems. Remember the days when text messages felt like sending letters? That's GSM for you. Now let's talk about HSPA, standing for High-Speed Packet Access. It came around when the internet started blooming on mobile devices. HSPA was all about getting you faster data speeds. So if you've ever streamed a video or downloaded a song pretty quickly on a 3G network, you've got HSPA to thank for that. Moving on to LTE, or long-term evolution. This is what most of us refer to as 4G. LTE was a significant leap from 3G technologies like HSPA. It meant even faster speeds, better stability, and lower latency. Essentially, LTE made it feel like we were always connected, anytime, anywhere. And finally, we arrive at the latest and greatest, 5G. It's not just about speed, though it's definitely fast. 5G is about connecting everything around us. From smart homes to autonomous vehicles, 5G's ability to handle massive amounts of data and connect multiple devices simultaneously is set to revolutionize our world. So from GSM to 5G, each generation of mobile network has brought about significant changes, not just in how we use our phones, but in how we interact with the world. And I can't wait to see what's next. Thanks for tuning in, and I'll catch you in the next one.